How to sign in Temu account. So here is a quick and easy on how to sign in or create a Temu account. So let's get started. First of all, install the Temu app on your mobile device. Then simply tap on it and open it to your device. Once you open it, all you have to do is tap on the U icon at the bottom and navigate to the U section. Here you can see sign in or register button available. Now tap on the sign in. You can sign in or register using Google account, Facebook, Apple ID, or you can also use email or phone number. So for the new user ID, I want to create using my Google account. You can simply tap on any of them and continue it. So going with Google account will be much more easier for my future sign-in purposes. So let me just tap on it. Now follow the on-screen instructions to register your account. Simply tap on the continue button available there. Once you tap on it, you will be logged in or registered to your Temu account. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.